Come on, do it with me. Ready?
Yeah.
Do it again. You can do it. Ready? She's distracted now. She's looking at your camera. Uh-oh. Betty can't do it. She doesn't have the skills. When can this kid throw this rope? Look how happy she is. Whoa. Let me at her. Let me at her. Can you do it? You can do it. Aurora. Yeah? No. The dog is the dog is messing with your concentration. Wow. Give me the puppy. I want the puppy. Hey. Yeah? Look, I got the puppy's toy. I got a toy. Go get it. Okay. Hey. Hey, kiddo. Ready? Oh. Spoil the garden, Betty. Hi, Betty. You can do it. You can do it. Yeah. I don't think we're going to do it again, Dad. She just thinks Betty's really interesting. No, she's not focusing. No, we're not, are we? Whoa. Whoa. What was that? Whoa, we got a big old drooly baby.
Okay.
Let me get this puppy. If you guys would just let me get this dog. Go get her. Go get her. Go get her. Go get her. What is that puppy doing? Uh-oh. Puppy dropped her toy. If I scooted it a little closer to Aurora. Oh, not gonna happen.
You don't want her to put that in her mouth.
No, I don't. I don't even want her to touch it. What is it?
Say hi to all your fans out there.
Your adoring public. Aurora.
Look at them toes.
I'll set it up here. My big, oh, drooly baby.